Okay, I'm going to use GeoWrite in 80 column mode. To do that, go to Settings, go to Drive Settings and select the CBM 1581 drive. Then go to File, attach disk image to drive 8, and double click on your GEOS 128.d81 file. Then type Run. Okay, when it comes up, click the GEOS tab. Then click Switch 40/80. And GEOS will come up on the 80 column monitor. Okay, now flip the page. Double click the GeoWrite 128 icon. Okay, I'm going to open an existing document. I'm going to open README 128. Okay, I'm now viewing a document in 80 column mode. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.